Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing only what matters. Remove distractions and set a 25-minute timer. Once done, collect one notebook, pen, and the exact pages you'll study. This narrows choice and reduces friction. Next, pick a single micro-goal so progress is measurable and immediate. Make sure to silence notifications and place your phone face down. Why this works? Short commitments lower activation energy, and immediate momentum makes it easier to continue. Start now and get the first focused block. You continue by entering discipline cycles. Run a Pomodoro rhythm, 25 minutes of deep work, 5 minutes break, and repeat 3 to 4 times. While studying, use active recall. Close the book and summarize aloud, then check. Once done, convert larger chapters into 10 to 15-minute substeps to maintain clarity and momentum. Make sure to record what you finished. Visible progress boosts motivation. Also, alternate problem solving with review, so you stay engaged and encode information effectively. You wrap up by spending 5 minutes reviewing what you learned and choosing one clear action for the next session. This closes the loop and makes resuming effortless. Then log 3 takeaways and schedule your next 25-minute block on the calendar. If you hit a focus wall, troubleshoot. Reset your environment, shorten goals to 10 minutes, or use a guided study audio to anchor attention. Keep experimenting. Small adjustments stabilize focus and build reliable study routines over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.